A look at the White House tonight, lit up by 500 candles to remember the 500,000 people who have died of COVID-19. The president and vice president held a moment of silence for the 500,000 people. The numbers are from Johns Hopkins University, and the 500,000 number matches the number of Americans killed in World War II, Korea, and Vietnam combined. The U.S. death toll is by far the highest reported in the world.
The people we lost were extraordinary. They spanned generations. Born in America, immigrated to America. But just like that, so many of them took their final breath alone in America. As a nation, we can't accept such a cruel fate.
President Biden said the threat of the pandemic still exists and we can't become numb to the sorrow of it. He said we need to honor those who have died and continue working to slow the spread of the virus. Here at home, the light at the end of the tunnel. That's what healthcare workers are describing what we're seeing with the decrease in hospitalizations.
Fox 5's Jacqueline Schultz has the latest numbers and a reason to be hopeful.
Certainly a lot of hope with these numbers, Kim and John. How far have we come? This is the statistics from the Nevada Hospital Association and the chart that we're looking at from July through the past few days, the numbers of hospitalizations in Nevada. You can see where the peak was, certainly around Christmas time, where it was the highest, and vacancy or occupancy was dangerously high for the state of Nevada. Where we are right now for late February, we haven't been here since early November. Let's take a look at the statistics today. 580 hospitalizations are confirmed or suspected cases. 12 deaths have been reported. Test positivity declining again to 9.6%. There are 363 average daily cases. As for the vaccine rollout, 556,000 doses have been administered. More than 12% of the population has started to get the vaccine, or at least has gotten one dose. 5.44% are fully vaccinated with 2 doses. So we asked the COVID-19 task force today, will Nevada ever use Allegiant Stadium to vaccinate thousands more people? Answers, not anytime soon. The reason being there's just not enough doses the state is getting. So using Allegiant wouldn't even be sustainable.
The state is still spread too thin to sustain something at a very high level for a long period of time. I don't have a picture or an idea of when we will be able to start moving towards those mass vaccination centers.
Some good news, though, here in Southern Nevada. The doses from Moderna that were tied up in the bad weather finally arrived today, 1 week later. There should be another shipment coming later this week as well.